Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the number row on the keyboard on Android. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now, scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, keyboard settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the keyboard options. Tap on it, and then tap on the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Now locate the Preferences option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, the number row is turned on. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap the number row option to turn it off instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.